Today we're checking out the Lean Pixcut S1 sticker printer and cutter. This might be the best sticker printer on the market, and inside this video we're going to test that out. I'll be breaking down this video into 4 different parts. We'll start off with the unboxing, then we'll move into the features and setup where I'll take you step by step how to set this up and all the different features included. Then we'll get to my favorite part, actually printing out some stickers. And then finally we'll wrap everything up as to some reasons why you might consider buying this printer. Before we get started, I must say that I was sent this by Lean to test and review inside this video. However, all of my thoughts and opinions are my own. And with that being said, let's get started with the unboxing. When opening up the box, we're going to be greeted with a user manual. And then here in the front, it looks like we have some included sticker paper. Then we have the power adapter. And then lastly, encased in styrofoam, we have the printer itself. Here's a look at everything included, and from the onset, it seems like we don't have that many pieces, so the setup should be pretty simple. After removing all of the packaging material, the physical setup was pretty straightforward. Of course, you're going to want to plug in the printer, and then beyond that, we're going to be installing the sticker paper into the cartridge. That just attaches to the back of the printer, and then from there, we just install the ink cartridge on the side and press the power button. The only thing you have to watch out for is making sure that the sticker paper is facing the correct way when installing it. After all of that, setup continues with the Lean app. Just like most of the apps on the App Store, you'll first have to create an account before using the app. After that, it will take you to a home screen where you will click on Add Printer. We will select Pixcut S1. Then after connecting it to Bluetooth, we're all ready to print stickers. Within the app, we have quite a few different sticker designs to choose from and all sorts of categories. Right now, we're looking at loved one labels. We also have some Easter designs and some editor's picks. I'm going to go ahead and go into editor's picks. We have things such as cute cats, retro cars, dogs, more cats, and other things like people, hand-drawn animals, and even plants. On top of that, we can click this little plus icon here at the bottom. We can select our size of paper, which for us is 4x7, and then you can add a photo print. You can do a photo collage. You can start from scratch and do a canvas, so we'll try that. Inside of the canvas design, you can add different elements, and we can go through all of these different sticker categories such as top picks, animals, nature, clothing and beauty, and tons of others. Once you see something that you like, you can click on it and it will add it to the project. And if we wanted to, we could even add some text or some shapes to this design. I'll go ahead and click on text. Then we can just type in something like cat, and we can go in and change the different styles of fonts. You can get super creative with this part and really make whatever design you want to print. For our first test, I'm going to go ahead and print these classic autos. Once I'm ready to print, I click on Make It. It will then give us a preview of exactly what we should expect from this print. At the bottom, it tells you which paper size to use, and then after that, you click on Cut. You'll have to wait a few seconds, and then the printing process begins. It will start with going through a process of layering different colors. That all happens in the back where the paper is located. After it's finished layering the colors on the stickers, it will move to the front of the machine, a light will turn on, and the cutting process will begin. It cuts each of those stickers individually. And this is the final result. In my opinion, these stickers turned out better than I thought they were going to. Just take a look at the detail in each one of these classic autos. Despite these stickers being awesome and better than I expected, I do want to try out another print. This time, I want to try a black and white sticker. We will go with these black and white cow cats. This is what it looks like on the canvas. So once again, I'll click on Make It. It will show us a preview, and then we can press on Cut. To me, my favorite part was watching the machine cut out the stickers. It does it super quickly. You barely have to wait any time to get your stickers back, and when you do, they look like this. Here's our comparison of the color prints against the black and white prints. Both of them are outstanding. So in the end, if you decide to go with black and white prints or the color route, you can expect the Lean Pixcut to perform and create some solid looking stickers. I feel like there's just one last thing we have to test before talking about why this machine might be be right for you. And that, of course, is how well do these stickers stick on cups. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this cat in the bottom right here. And it seems like these stickers come off relatively easily, so that means that the cut was precise. I think that right here is gonna be a great place to put this sticker. So I'll go ahead and press it on. And it seems like it doesn't really want to stick onto this plastic cup. However, we may try some different things to see if it sticks on other materials. And it looks like it sticks perfectly fine on my desk, so it may just be that that sticker didn't like this material on my plastic cup. So that may be something to take into consideration. You may want to look at finding some stickier sticker paper to use. All in all, I really do feel like this machine performed better than I could have hoped for. The three categories that really matter are going to be how well does the app work, how good are the sticker prints, and how well does the sticker cutter work. And I found that it was excellent in all three of those categories. You may see some negative reviews on the app, but I actually didn't find any issues with the app whatsoever. It connected quickly and it was very user-friendly. And as far as the other two categories go, I was honestly blown away about how great those stickers looked and how precise the cutter was. So if you're looking for arguably one of the best sticker cutters on the market, you really can't go wrong with the Lean PixCut S1. Not only does it do stickers, but it also does photos, so essentially it is a 3-in-1 machine, a photo printer, a sticker printer, and a cutter. So if that interests you, I highly recommend checking out the Lean PixCut S1. I think it is a great product. You may just need to look at getting some stickier 4x7 paper. Other than that, it was fantastic. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David, and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And stay tuned for when I release my next video.